How's it going, everyone? It's Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel. As you can see, I've got the Ferrari body painted. It's still warped pretty good. I was doing some test fitting with the doors this morning. Boy, I really had to bend them. I just don't know how this one's going to turn out, guys. Very frustrated, but I'm going to put it together anyway. And then this one, that's that 1/16 scale Revell I've been working on. It's actually a Fujimi kit, but it's a Ferrari turbo, I can't remember, Koenig. And over here is the 34 Ford I'm working on for the Ron Stewart build. And as you can see, I got a fire dome Hemi that I'm going to put in it. And I'm going to do the steel wheels. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I can't even see it with the sun shining so good out here. That's the steel wheels. It'll have the white walls. And then here is my body. It's just going to have the top part of the hood come off. I've glued the side sections on, so when you open it and you look down in there, you'll see the fire dome. And it's going to be baby blue, as you can tell. And then it'll have the big white walls in the back, probably white wall slicks, I'm not for sure, and the little whites in the front with the steel wheels, the red fire dome Hemi. And then I think I'm going to do the I got a 40 Ford steering wheel. I don't know if you can see that, which I'll detail up to put, and I'll have the red dash, and I think I'll do the interior in red and white. Tell me what y'all think about those colors. But that's what I've got going on right now. Like I said, this is for the Ron Stewart appreciation build right here. Now, I haven't started the Corona 500 build yet. I wanted to start it after I got this Ferrari off the bench. Like I said, this is my last day off. I'll go back to work Monday and Tuesday, so it'll probably be Wednesday or Thursday, one of my days off, before I can get this one hopefully finished up. Maybe the paint will be cured up by then, and I'll take you inside here in a minute. I've gotten some of the interior stuff done, so I'll be back. Alright, this is what I've gotten done so far as the Ferrari. And I've gotten the caps on the wheels right there. I've got this little frame part here put in. I've gotten the dash and the seats put in this thing, and the seats move up, and this headrest move up and down, and the seats move forward. Like I said, a lot of detail on a piece of crap kit. Well, it might not have been so bad if it wasn't so old. I mean, you gotta think, guys, this kit was from 1987 on the box. So, I mean, what can you expect? I mean, you know, I know I know for several years I had a lot of my kits out in the garage, and you know, that's not a good place for kits if you don't have it in what do you call it, climatized or whatever. And like I said, hell, it could have got warped out there. It could have been warped from the factory. I mean, I really don't know, you know, because everything pretty much made in China these days. Even back in the, I think early no, that was made in Japan. That's where it said it was made in. But yeah, I think the shipping containers to come to the U.S. I mean, you know, just all kind of variables. Who knows how it got warped? Like I said, years ago, I started putting it together. Got so dang frustrated with it, I just put it up, and I don't know what possessed me to get it back out. I really don't, but I did. And but that's it, you know. That's what I've gotten done so far. I got the body in paint right now. It's out there in the sun maybe to get cured up for my next days off, and maybe I can just start throwing that thing together. Of course, I don't know, getting the windows in there with that body being warped, that's gonna be a chore in itself. I might have to glue the windows in and then mask them off and turn around and paint the black instead of painting the black and put the windows in, because if I gotta put my little clamps on it or something, I don't want them to, the black already be done. And well, y'all know what I'm talking about. I mean, I ain't gotta explain to y'all's model builders. But alright, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Here's the Stewart car. I just brought it in from the paint. You can see where I'm going with this one. Right there. The hood will come off. Just like that. It'll have the grill in there. It's going to be fenderless. I got the underneath painted. Still got to paint the black in there and stuff. I got the steel wheels painted. The fire dome Hemi. It's painted. I got the interior tub and the seats. I just got to pull the little mask off there and off in there, and I got to flat the carpet. Paint the white inserts. Still got to paint the rear end, and then I'll still have to detail and wire the engine. Of course, the engine wires are going to be pretty easy on this Fire Dome Hemi because it comes with the magneto, and then the Fire Dome Hemi valve covers has the little thing that goes across there, and so your wires will just stick out the end of it, so not really having to worry about what fire in order or anything like that. So that'll be alright. I got the body painted for the Ferrari. It's not the best, and like I said, I don't care. I don't care. Like old Rambler 69 said, take a hammer to it. I thought about it, but I ain't going to. I'm going to get her built. No matter how bad it is, I'm going to get her built. And that's the kit right there. I sure think old Ron's going to like what I'm doing to it. Alright. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.